side, right?
Yeah, hot side until the pressure dies.
There's not a lot of pressure in the tank when you take that off.
Because we break the pressure in the tank, we do it. It's a real quick switch, and a little bit of water will come out. That's what the towels are for. I've done it.
Oh, okay.
15 of them. It takes so long to grab them. But yeah, that's crazy.
You haven't had time to check that one out you got last night, huh?
No, I was just about to do it.
You know, that's on you. That's if you can get it going, then you got another heater.
That's the way I was looking at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna pressure test that sucker probably when I get home. It takes about 45 minutes just to wheel it over there and drain it.
I never know what people do when they install them themselves.
Yeah, you never know.
Because he could, man, as soon as I
catch people.
I was only gone 20 minutes and he had already had it hooked up and everything. He called me. Yeah. I can't. It don't work.
Yeah, I got one today. Yeah. Guy bought a water heater from me 2 days ago and called me up and said it doesn't work. I got there. There was 2 other water heaters sitting there, and he was on this one. And he goes, those didn't work. No,
one of mine?
No, it was one of mine.
Oh.
And he goes, those didn't work either.
What was the problem?
He just didn't light it right. He didn't purge it. And so, this thing's probably leaking. So I said, what are you going to do with those heaters? He goes, you want them? And I said, hell yeah, because I knew they didn't leak.
What were they? So you said you're not worried about that?
This isn't coming out?
Yeah, I mean really forceful. Because I have...
because we shut the water off to it and we're going to break the pressure one more time. Believe me, I've done these code 5s a couple of times.
The water stopped.
Is it still open?
Yeah, it's still open. But
it's go ahead and close it then. Yeah, we don't want to let any air in. Thanks. Can I bend this up?
Take that out of it.
It's like stuck in the
I see they got it hooked up there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
yeah, there you go.
Kind of in my way a little bit. Did you install this?
Huh?
No,
I didn't. How do you know? You can tell by looking at it.
Because I can see
the soldering.
I can see the soldering. I know right away.
It wasn't Dave.
I got nothing.
No, I never would have did it like that anyway.
No.
But the reason he did that because he turned the control over there because this door wouldn't close.
Well, you can't blame him for that.
No. But yeah.
Anytime somebody turns the burner assembly in a direction.
I mean, this is something. If it goes wrong, I can come back. If I got it set up, I can put it back in real quick. I still don't believe that you're going to do that without a lot of pressure.
Oh, really? Well, you got to watch my videos, man. I've done so many of these. I've only had one go bad on me. Like boom, water came shooting out of it, and I was like, what the hell? And there was some kind of air bubble or something inside.
You can't just like loosen it a little bit to get the pressure?
No, you can't. Oh man, I got these things. We need to, do you have any Teflon tape with you?
Yeah, in my truck.
Oh wait, I got some.
In my truck.
Hold on, I got some right here. Yeah, we got lucky. So I don't like putting ones on that don't have the metal cap on it because it's just going to happen again, right?
Really?
Oh, yeah. No, I don't know how they got away with pumping these things out without them.
It's probably less money when you're doing it by the thousands. It's a lot of money saved.
Yeah, I guess it depends on the year. I guess it kind of depends on the year of the water heater too, because
really?
I think they had a bunch of them come back on them, and then all of a sudden that part showed up.
The other bank's gonna say, hey, you got an overdraft here. We can't open your account with an overdraft. Oh, I got you. So I was lucky that didn't happen.
Well, not much pressure built in there, huh?
No, I released it all. Why is that? Hang on a second.
Yeah, see, this doesn't have it.
Yeah, exactly, Dave. Yeah, doesn't have it. Doesn't have the cap on it. And so what happened? A guy was on my YouTube channel the other day, and he was telling me that these are made out of nylon.
Yeah.
This is all made out of nylon, and it doesn't react very well with the
okay.
water. And then all it needs is a little crack. See how it wants to disintegrate like that. So it doesn't react very well, and it only takes a little bit of water to get in there. The valve's probably good, but the
This thing shot me if I hit the.
Oh, wait a minute.
This is probably good.
Yeah, the
'Cause I
valve,
want you
the
to check
valve
the one
body.
the one I want you to check in the truck.
Oh, okay.
I got it installed tomorrow. It you get a spark, but not every time.
Oh, okay.
I just need something that's gonna.
All right, yeah, pretty easy, huh? You get a little bit of water.
That's
if you get
tight
it.
enough.
Yeah, yeah, it should be. It's not. Yeah, we'll do one more turn if you
I
want.
don't think you can get another turn.
Yeah, I think I can get one more.
Really? Yeah.
I put a lot of Teflon tape on it.
Okay.
Yeah, so with these Bradfords, if you get the spacing wrong, they don't want to line up right.
Oh, you mean especially when you try to put the burner back in there.
Yeah, exactly. Because this is all rigid. Right?
Yeah.
This thing's not
Doesn't
flexible.
Doesn't give it all.
Doesn't give. So, like all of a sudden, you can't get stuff to line up right. Because you moved it 1/4 of an inch. But that's okay. We'll make it work.
Because the bank account with me is it's easy because I can. That other lady, remember the one we went out there where you had set up there? It looks like you were in the manufacturing.
On the
Yeah, you set all your stuff up on the block wall.
Yeah.
She said that so far everything is okay, so she says I don't need to come out there yet.
Okay.
So it's going on and off too. So it's just a matter of time, I think.
Yeah, she needs to pay attention when they go off. What the flashes are, like what you did tonight, counting the flashes.
Yeah, right.
You just check it against the chart.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5, you pretty much have to change it. I mean, you don't. I've done it before, but then people just call me back. And they're like, oh, the 5's back, so.
Oh, okay, so.
It's just, you can like get in there and change the thermistor out, but there's a leak, so it's going to short again. I mean, it might go a couple months, but you don't want to be back out there in a couple months.
No, I don't want to. That's why when I got heaters, I just change it, man. Here's another heater. I don't have time to fuck around with it.
Oh, here we go.
I just heard it. Come on, that means something.
Yeah, it was roaring like an engine. Yeah, so it's a whole different valve, completely different. So the cover's probably still good. The valve itself is probably still good. If you don't want it, I'll take
Man,
it.
I don't know. Man, I got 400 water heaters.
Yeah, you don't need it, huh? Yeah, I think we're good. Get a little shot in there. So we had a 5 flash or a code 5 or
What's it doing? Is it just the regular?
yeah, it's just one
Yeah, that's the way- that's the
one
way-
blink.
that's the
Yeah,
way it's supposed
normal
to be.
blink. So that came off
Yeah.
a leaking water heater, so the valve is good. It just happened to have the metal in the back, which is what we want. You know. So yeah, we're good to go. Cool, man.
I knew it. I knew it.